Let's eat this Samyang kimchi ramen noodles. Let's try it. It's good, guys. Look at my ramen soup. Samyang kimchi ramen. Kimchi, so good. Let's try this Samyang kimchi ramen noodles. So, let's try if it's gonna be good. Of course, we put this here and this. And then we pour hot water according to your what you want level of kimchi. And then we're gonna pour this kimchi ramen powder. So, ooh, it's gonna be hot. Wow, it's spicy. And it's gonna be spicy. And let's do this. Squish. And then cover. So let it soak for a few minutes. And that's it. Stir. Blend together. So that's how it does, guys. Samyang noodles. Stir. It's gonna be good. It's Samyang kimchi ramen soup. Let's eat, guys. This is my lunch. Samyang kimchi ramen noodles, spicy, and I'm gonna pour a little bit of lemon. I'm gonna put lemon to make this for a little bit sour. So let's eat. Try with it with me. So this is my noodles. See? Look my noodles, guys. So let's eat. It's a big bowl. So this is my lunch. Because I was eating yesterday a milkfish with rice. So today naman is ito na. So let's try the soup. It's actually blend together with lemon. It's so good. It's actually good. Of course, I have water. So eat with me. Thank you, guys. Shout out to my team, Pia Milo team, Team Poyeters, Adventurous, The Giggling. So, samahan niyo ako. Hope you like also the noodles. If you haven't tried these noodles, try it. It's actually good. Most especially, it's good when it's winter. But right now, it's summer. It's hot outside, guys, actually. Enjoy. I like the taste of the soup, of the liquid. It's It's actually good. So sometimes I eat bad food. Sometimes I eat salad and I eat fish. But most of the time, fish and vegetables. It's actually hot. So if you're asking guys if it's spicy, there's only a bite, not like super spicy. To those who are not like into spicy, you could eat this one. It's actually good. Yeah. Sometimes I eat ramen. I actually have a lot of stock of pancit canton. So good. Thank you guys for joining my mukbang live. Lapit na guys. Tapusin natin, madaliin. I actually like to eat fast guys. So you would not be, you know. Spicy. A little bit hot. Madaliin natin. Almost. Yeah. Thank you guys. And if you're new here, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And by the way, my membership is open and my super chat is open. Alright, thank you guys. It's done. See? So, thank you so much and hope you have a good time joining my live mukbang. And thank you to my GC, Piamelo team, Team Puyaters, and Adventurous. And please like and share and subscribe. And see you around. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much. Love you all.